You need to keep this in mind when choosing to major in accounting or finance. I'll cover the differences and, more importantly, what you want to pick for your job out of college. Now, most people probably understand the fundamental difference between the finance and accounting degree. Finance is going to focus more on financial valuation and modeling, some other finance-like things. Accounting is going to focus on accounting, right? Your generally accepted accounting principles, auditing, and controls within the ecosystem. But which one should I pick for my major? Even as a finance major myself, I would choose accounting 9 out of 10 times, but stay with me because we're going to dive a little bit deeper into it. Accounting is the language of business. So by learning this, you're going to get a fundamental understanding for how these accounting statements are formed and how everything flows through a business and how it's accounted for. This involves a lot of intricate rules, regulations, and laws that are easily taught by teachers and professors. Whereas something like finance, I think, is a little bit easier to teach yourself and learn on the fly, especially when you have a base in accounting. So when you look at it compared to a finance major, you might be able to figure out maybe 60-70% of what a finance major might know, but a finance major is probably not going to go anywhere near that deep in accounting as you, which means you're going to have a net benefit as far as skill set goes. If you're a finance major, you're only limited to certain financial fields, whereas if you're an accounting major, you can do anything in finance because accounting is the language of business, but you also have the option to be an audit or tax or be a CPA. But the cons for some people in accounting is you honestly might just find it super boring. And I was one of those people, and I just decided to go against utility and choose finance. If you're someone who's on the fence about choosing accounting or finance, I would just go with accounting because you can still do anything in finance with an accounting degree, but not vice versa. Now, if you're preparing for investment banking, I would keep in mind that some of the things in accounting might help you prepare a little bit more and understand more of the technical section. So if you do finance, you might have to learn some of that on your own because it might just not come in time for the learnings.